Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I will show you how you can enable your YouTube channel uploading your Android device. To start, here's my phone. To enable it on my Android device, I first need to install YouTube Studio on my phone from a Play Store. I click on the icon, the profile, click on profile in the top right corner. Then I click on settings. Then I click on turn dark themes to enable Android device mode. My YouTube Studio. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to receive an update anytime we upload new videos. Thank you.